Yeah. Mr. K.
Yebo.
All right, Mr. K.
Now I'm always in Georgia.
Mr. K.
Yeah.
Did you see the trend?
Which trend?
Umfazi wepolice.
What is umfazi wepolice?
Ngumfazi wepolice. What, and then wageza, and then pakadilo motho a tsamaya ha fetse motho o tsamaya mo hlahisa di pictures tsa hae wa tsekeng a lepila a itse the person look even younger than when they were married. Like, what is your take? What makes them look older in their marriages, and then when they leave, then they look younger?
Oh, you're talking about
that trend I showed you, Mr.
Oh, that trend where women, when they are in a marriage, they look
older.
Like, they look like Magogo, Scaro older. Be straight. They look like Magogo. You know, men. I think I need to speak to you. It's not the women's fault. This cannot be women's fault. It's men's fault. And this relates to each and every man in South Africa, especially Africans. Let me tell you something. I will give you an example now about myself. Before I can tell you what's the cause of that. Now, when I got married to my wife, I found her. I went to her because she was looking stunning again. She had makeup, she had, nice. Sometimes I'll see her wearing miniskirts. Sometimes I'll see her with clothes, nice cleavage outside, nice makeup and everything. That's what impressed me, So now, I married this woman. After marrying this woman, I want to change her. See, the problem about Africans is this, especially Khoza people. I'm sorry, my Khoza men. I'm sorry, but I have to put this into you guys. Mostly, it's you guys who are doing that. When you marry a woman, you found her beautiful. You went to her, she looks beautiful. She looks stunning, beautiful. But now, all of a sudden, after you getting married, you want to change her well-being. You want to change her appearance, how she's supposed to be. Wasimula now, miadi my Germany, the what? Bariki my Germany, baby. My Germany, those things, the parents saw, she's not allowed to even put the makeup. But let me tell you something. Now, when you make your woman to restrict her from not putting makeup, not wearing miniskirts, not wearing, or to have cleavage, or to be her own, what do you expect? She's going to be a magogo. And the minute she becomes a magogo, you know what will happen? You won't see the beauty anymore from her. That's why all the time you'll always be fighting because of you don't value her anymore. You took her value out of her on her side. When she was valued that time, you see, it's like a car. A car, you go buy a car. Then once you buy a car, that car still have a value. But once you start driving it, the value goes down. Value goes down. That's why when you go and sell the car, they will tell you the value of this car at this point in time. It's how much. So that's what you guys are doing. You are making your wives to be valued less than how they were valued when you met them. It is wrong. Let your women look nice. Let your women put makeup. Let them smile. Let them look nice. Let them, leave them. If she wants to put makeup, nails, she want to put, eyelashes, or she want to put, she want to make hair. She want to look good. Leave her, please. Leave her be herself. Stop restricting these women. That's why, because at the end of the day, it's so painful for you to look at your woman at home. She can't do nothing. She she lost value completely because you are the one who made her to lose value. Now you wake up in the morning, you go to work. What do you see at work? What do you see at work? You see these women, they've got makeup, they've got nice, they are dressed up nice. Some of them mini skirts and stuff like that. They went to work. Now when you start doing this, start looking. Yeah? Wachika, she's passing. Wachika. You are even, you want to be close to her, to that woman. Why can't you be close to your own wife? The one you found while she was still valued. When now you took that wife of yours, you made her to have a less value. Whose problem is it? Whose problem is it? You are the one to be blamed. That's why you see these women, they are making this trend now when they were in the marriage. When I looked at them, I was so feeling sorry for them. I was like, yo, my daughter. Oh, man, what is our brothers doing, man? What are our brothers doing, man? Why? I looked at these, many of videos that I've seen, that I've watched. It's so embarrassing, guys. A woman, man. She's like a gogo, this woman. But after she goes out of the marriage, now, this woman is so beautiful.
You even asked me,
oh,
is this the same person?
Is it the same? I asked my wife, I said, is it the same person? Guys, you know what? Let me tell you something. Go to my videos. Go to my TikTok videos. Go, all of you, see my wife. I don't restrict my wife, guys. I don't. Look at my wife. Look at how she dress up. Look at her appearance. I kept the standard the way I found her. Keep the standard. Keep the value of that woman. Let the value become sky changer. You are going to enjoy. You are not going to be all the time when you see other women passing by, you are being surprised now. You're like, but she looks better than my wife. Your wife is even better than her. But because of you wanted to reduce her value. The thing about it, but because of Ushati Muntu, Niega, Asangiba, Awatwati, Angiba my short pants, I mean, a cleavage, apparently, what? It's wrong, guys. It's wrong. You are taking the value out of that woman. That's why most of you, in your marriage homes, you are no longer happy. You are no longer happy because you don't look at that woman the way you used to look at that woman before. It is very wrong.
Oh, it's like Umuzeramira, Mama Hai.
You taking that woman, you change her to be your mother now. How can your wife be the same as your wife, your mother? How can it be?
But it's okay if a woman wants to dress up like that because they want to. Not because of they are forced to.
Not because of they are forced to. But these men these days, you know what they do? It's like Bariking. This I won't mention the name of the culture because I don't want people to start thinking over it now. Maybe I know there is this culture. This culture, you know what they do? Once a woman gets married, Barry, you're not supposed to see other men out there. They cover the whole eyes. You're not supposed to see the men out there. You know what I'm talking about. So these type of things, guys, are very wrong. We understand we've got, we have to respect each and every one of us cultures. I respect your culture, but let me be honest with you. Being a Shangani, Metsonga, vola mina, vola Changani. Kana kaya kaina. Abanifundisa ukuthi sota mina fa nimbekela hansi nimqinezela bekela hansi I'm sorry I can't speak Shangan properly because of I'm not with my family now these days since I moved away from them when I was still young. You understand? But what I'm trying to say is that you are not allowed to make this woman to be valueless. You are the one, you are the cause why these women